compact, small, ultrasonic jewelry cleaner, 46 kilohertz of jewelry cleaning power, 200 milliliters of capacity, and this has a 24-watt power supply. Absolutely fantastic. So this has ultrasonic cleaning as well as UV lighting. Now, UV helps kill bacteria, germs, things like that. Let me just show you a little bit about it. This is what it looks like here. This is a stainless steel in here. This is a small container. It doesn't hold a ton, but it actually is enough for like small pieces of jewelry, like earrings, things like that will fit in here, no problem. Bracelets, all that kind of stuff. There is a max line here where it says max. So the couple of different buttons, one's for the UV light, and here is the actual UV light right here. And how it's safety is a very, very cool design that there's two prongs here. So the only way the UV light gets activated is until you close the lid and that light will go on because it makes the connection. So just that's actually, I thought that was actually pretty ingenious. So that way it's safety. That way you take off the lid, you don't have to worry about it getting in your eyes. So that's really important. Again, so it's got two settings. So it has ultrasonic, which you hold it down, tap it once, turns it on for 3 minutes. And then if you hold it, tap it and hold it again, that's 6 minutes. So there's two different settings. You get 3 minutes and a 6 minute countdown. So you'll see that it'll count down from, there's no actual timer on here, but that's how it works. And then the UV light can be either on and off, and then you can just hit the stop button. That's how it works. It does come with a little tray that goes inside here. That way, if you want to pull something out like that there, you can just see how that works. Really easy. It's made out of plastic, and it does come with a nice power cord as well. I think this is probably 6 feet. Just guesstimating real quick. I'll give you an exact measurement. And this is really a really decent quality build. Yep, that's around 6 feet. It comes with the power supply here. And basically, you just plug it. Where is the plug? Right in the back, right in the side here. This is where you plug it in here. Okay. Now, when you want to use something like this here, you want to use ultrasonic cleaner or jewelry cleaner, pretty much, anything really. But I use this here, this Blitz gem and jewelry cleaner. It's concentrate. You just need a little bit. So basically, with a small container like this here, just a little bit will go a very long way. Just a drop in there, and then I'll add some just basic water. And you can use hot water or cold water. It's totally up to you. This is just for demonstration purposes. So that's full of water. And now we're just going to plug it in real quick. And I'm just going to give an example how it works. If you enjoyed this type of video, and if it's been helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe and share this video. And hopefully I brought your shopping experience a little bit more pleasurable and understanding something like this. All right, let's get to plug it in and see how it works. Okay, guys, so it's still running here. I'm just going to finish it up. I'm going to actually open it up. I wanted to show you the oscillation of this awesome little powerful thing here. Let me open this up. I want you to see here. You can see the oscillation with the camera. You really can't see it with the naked eye, but when you see the lights, see the oscillation, how the water's flickering around like that. I'll shut it off. Watch the difference. See how it stops oscillating. Now I'll put it back on. So you can see that water oscillating and just cleaning all the crevices, and the UV light goes on. That's really great for disinfecting. And let's just take this out real quick. Let me just show you. So you saw that demonstration. Take these out of the solution. These out. Perfect. Let me just get a little napkin and dry these up a little bit. And I want to give you a little quick close-up and just show you just a few minutes how clean these earrings come out. Beautiful. Really, really nice. So you can see here how beautiful. Nice. Let me get a little focus on here so you can see how nice and clean these are. So definitely going to recommend these 1,000%. Definitely going to give these a buy. I definitely recommend them 100% because, looking for something small and compact and powerful is very hard to find. And this does exactly what it's intended to do. It's cleaning, disinfecting, and does a really super nice job. So between that and this awesome cleaners, I'm definitely going to recommend this as well. So go ahead and pick this up. That's just need just a tiny bit, a little bit of water, and you're good to go. And you can clean all your jewelry as much as you want. And that's what I have for you guys. If I brought you some value, don't forget to follow the channel for more. Appreciate your time. Hope you enjoyed the video. And I do get a small commission just to be clear and transparent. Something like this here does help support my channel and cost you nothing. Just to be fair and transparent. And that's what we do on this channel to help educate, motivate you, and inspire you to make a decision on something just like this. So I hope I did that. And if I did, don't forget to follow for more. Appreciate your time. Thanks for watching.